Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings, so you can be on the video or portrait one. So now we have to take a look at this option bar at the top and tap on the option 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. Then let's go to the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find restore defaults. Tap on restore to confirm, and we just got back to the camera, and we can see that, for example, the flashlight is turned on. We've got also this night light option turned on, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.